Welcome back to the Build It channel, where we take you inside some of the most exciting builds and walk you through every detail. Today we're diving into a dream project, an in-home theater room build that measures 12 feet wide by 18 feet deep. This is the kind of space designed for comfort, performance, and an unforgettable viewing experience. Let's start with the foundation of the room. The framework is built using high-strength galvanized steel studs. Unlike traditional wood studs, steel provides greater durability, remains perfectly straight over time, and resists warping, shrinking, or pest damage. For a room designed to house heavy soundproofing, wall panels, and electronic components, steel is the best option. Each stud was spaced precisely at 16 inches on center, with reinforced cross-bracing to reduce vibration transfer between walls. The steel track anchors are secured into the foundation, giving this room a rock-solid skeleton that's both strong and long-lasting. Now let's talk soundproofing, the heart of any great theater. Inside the walls, we used a triple-layer system. First, mineral wool insulation panels, known for their dense fire-resistant qualities, absorb mid to low-range frequencies. On top of that, a sound-dampening barrier called Quiet Core Shield was installed, reducing airborne noise by over 70%. Finally, double layers of acoustical drywall were mounted with a special viscoelastic adhesive that prevents sound vibration from passing through. The flooring received equal attention with a floating subfloor system built over vibration isolation pads. This ensures that deep bass from the subwoofers doesn't rattle the rest of the house. Look up and you'll find one of the most stunning features of this build, the coffered ceiling with integrated light pipe technology. But what's a theater without sound? For this project, we installed the Auralis Quantum 9.2 surround system, a state-of-the-art setup developed by one of the leaders in acoustic engineering. This system uses 9 independent speaker channels, 3 across the front stage, 2 on the side walls, 2 at the rear, and 2 ceiling-mounted Atmos channels for overhead effects. Add in a dual 15-inch subwoofer array, hidden behind acoustic fabric panels, and you've got full room-shaking bass without disrupting the aesthetics. Every speaker is powered by dedicated amplifiers with DSP tuning, calibrated to perfection using real-time acoustic analysis. The result? Crisp dialogue, immersive surround effects, and powerful bass that you feel as much as you hear. Seating was carefully arranged in 2 rows with a raised platform in the back for optimal viewing angles. Each chair is fully reclining, leather-wrapped, and equipped with cup holders and charging ports. The room's layout ensures every viewer gets a perfect line of sight to the screen while maintaining the acoustic symmetry needed for accurate sound distribution. Each recessed panel contains fiber optic strands that mimic the night sky. With over 1,500 pinpoint lights, it creates a starry sky effect that can dim, brighten, or even simulate a gentle twinkle. The light pipes themselves are fully programmable, giving homeowners the ability to shift from a soft ambient glow during movies to a dazzling skyscape during intermissions. At the front of the room, the star of the show is the CineMax UltraVision screen, a 150-inch acoustically transparent display that allows the front speakers to be hidden directly behind it. This creates a clean cinematic look while delivering sound from the same direction as the visuals. Paired with it is the NovaBeam LumenPro 9000 projector, a laser-powered unit with native 8K resolution and HDR+ capability. With its ultra-bright output and true-to-life color reproduction, every frame pops with detail, whether it's the shadows of a thriller or the explosions of an action film. This theater room is more than just a build, it's an experience. From the precision of the steel-studded framework to the whisper-quiet soundproofing, from the starry-sky ceiling to the UltraVision screen and quantum sound system, every detail was designed for performance, luxury, and immersion. That wraps up today's walkthrough of this incredible theater room build. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And as always, come back for all your Build It needs right here on the Build It channel.